And welcome back. Cricket first up. The West Indies women are now 2-0 down in their 5-match T20 international series against England's women after losing the second match by 47 runs in Derby on Wednesday.
Well, she's picked that up.
The Windies women were looking to level the series and, having won the toss, sent England to bat. The English women made a brisk start, but were soon pegged back to 45 for 3 after 7 overs. Amy Jones would keep the momentum going for the English, however, before going for 25, England 85 for 4. Her departure saw 2 more quick wickets, as England were then 96 for 6. But Sarah Glenn and Catherine Brunt ensured England found another gear before Brunt went for 18 at 142 for 7. Glenn was run out of the last ball of their innings for a top score of 26, but she ensured England's women hadn't run out of options as they posted a challenging 151 for 8 of their 20 overs. Skipper Stephanie Taylor grabbed 2 for 12 and Shakira Selman 2 for 32 for the Caribbean side. It was now up to the Windies women's batting to support their improved showing in the field. But that thought quickly went like the wicket of vice-captain Hayley Matthews for 3. The Windies women 11 for 1. But like the first match, Deandra Dottin ensured she kept the scoreboard ticking over for the Windies women. Along with Captain Taylor, they carried the score to 72 before Dottin fell for 38. And as if the repeat button from the opening match was hit, the visitors again lost wickets in a cluster and were soon 89 for 6. There would be no late heroics from the Caribbean women as they were eventually restricted to 104 for 8 in their reply. Maidie Villiers, Glenn and Sophie Ecclestone took 2 wickets each for the English women. The third match is set for Saturday at the same venue.